Ito isang magandang hapon ulit mga igan. Bigyan natin ng pansin itong si Paduano na to. Na isa, di ko ano, ay mga miyembro dati ito ng ABB o yung Alex Boscaino Brigade ng CCP-NPA. Alam naman natin mga terorista yan, di ba? Ngayon, nakikinig ako. Binabanatan niya yung notice of disallowance ni BP Inday. Sinisita niya itong taga-COA. Bakit napakatagal na ibinigay na palugit para magpaliwanag ang Office of the Vice President? Justice denied daw, justice delayed, justice denied. Leche ka pala, terorista ka di umano. Yung mga kaso mo nga ang tagal na. Hindi mabigyan ng hustisya, tapos sasabihin mo na yung OBP binibigyan ng napakahabang panahon para ma-resolutionan ka agad yung kanyang disallowance na tinatawag. Kaya ako, wag kami. Minamadali nyo yung proseso kasi wala kayong masilip sa OBP. Eto mga yan pakinggan nyo mabuti. Pakinggan nyo itong kawalangiang kabubuhan itong Paduano na to. Andyan sila, sabay-sabay, pati si Suarez. Na-focus lang ako sa animal na to. Eto, tuloy.
Magkaiba yun.
Ayan.
Iba ka intention. Linawin na natin but the subject. Sandali po. Let me finish this.
Sige.
But the subject matter of this investigation refers to the notice
Of
of these
disallowance.
allowances that
Sige.
you issued. Di ba? Magkaiba yun, boss. Tapos na sila. Tapos na dito. They're waiting for the reply within 6 months.
Sige.
And the deadline will be on
February.
Oh, yun.
Ayan.
Again, Mr. Chair, I have pointed this out.
Ang kapal ng mukha mo.
Pag EUM kasi, okay, you issue an EUM for the confidential and intelligence fund.
Lakas ng loob mo magsalita ng justice delayed, justice denied. Yung mga kaso mo.
They're allowed 15 days. After 15 days, you validate the reply, then you issued a notice of disallowance.
Notice of suspension.
Notice of suspension if continuing. Tama, di ba? Now, then after that, you issue a notice of disallowance. Okay, now, kaya ang sagot dapat doon sa tanong ni Chairman Abante, tapos na kayo.
As of us to yung entity po.
Kaya nga
Sige.
Kaya nga kasi subject matter dito is all about the notice of disallowance. And we will talk about it again. If somebody will file a resolution to further investigate on the
Kaya lang kayo ng file.
with regards to the 3 items that is not yet final. Yung ano nyo, yung audit nyo, di ba?
Ayan
With regards
Babanat
to
na,
the
babanat na.
Intelligence Fund. Tama. So malinaw po yun. That's why in the end of legislation with regards to this investigation with the chairman, again, I would just like to reiterate, yung question of the timetable given to the agency with regards to the notice of disallowance is too long.
Tulong po
Sabi nga, justice delayed, justice denied. Why it will take?
Nagmamadali ang puta.
Sige nga, bakit 6 months? Because they have already submitted all the necessary documents. And it turned out,
Tapos?
in your investigation, in your audit, lumalabas na may mga problema. That's why you issue a notice of disallowance. Di ba? Kaya, Mr. Chairman, I hope
Pexin?
of the charter or MCs, no?
Naghahabol talaga kayo ng kaso ng
Or
impeachment,
even the appeal or a lawsuit be passed with regards to confidential and intelligence fund, Mr. Chairman, should be filed and passed by this Congress. Kasi, kaya nga ang question of
Atat na atat ka.
question daw ng prohibitiveness of this investigation. Sa case lang po ng confidential intelligence fund, we have to file, appeal, and pass a law. With regards to it. So that it cannot be abused anymore.
Ano po siya? Abuse na yung word mo. Yung pang-aabuso nyo dyan sa Quadcom na yan, mga animal. Diyan ka na nga, animal ka.